What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I got a Nissan Rogue over here. This client called me because it was flooded. It had a lot of mold in it. And the first step to something like that is you want to clean it. You want to take the interior apart, the seats, the carpeting, see where it might be coming from. So most likely, because it has a sunroof, it's going to be the drains are going to be clogged. That was true for the passenger side. I had to take the wiper arms off to access the cowl, and yeah, so that was an easy fix. But the driver's side, no matter how much water I put in the drain to see if the water is coming near the wheel wells, that's where it drains, it was just coming inside the vehicle. Like, it flooded the driver's side again after we had cleaned it. And that was really strange because it wasn't just a little bit of water. It was everything that was coming through the drain that I was pouring. So in that case, I decided to kind of get a peek inside what's going on. So I took the headliner down, the driver's side, and I found out that the hose was disconnected, actually. Plus, there was so much dirt and debris from not being washed that it might have been clogged as well. So I don't know how that got disconnected, but this is what I found. Look, yeah. So, anyways, I connected that back in, and I used some compressed air to blow anything that might be in there, preventing the water, and that was it.